All right, let's look at a rectangle here, and we're told that the length of the rectangle is x plus 2 and the width is x and the area is 80 units squared. So for these sort of questions, we just need to remember that the area of a rectangle equals length times width. So then we can use that rule in order to set up our answer here. So we have x plus 2 in brackets, and it's going to be multiplied by x. So we can put the x out the front here, and that's all going to be equal to 80. Okay. At that point, we can then use, we then want to expand our bracket here, so that becomes x squared plus 2x equals 80. We then want to take our 80 across to this side, so to do that we want to take off 80 here, and then take off 80 here, and that gives us x squared plus 2x minus 80 equals 0, so we've set it up in the standard form. And from there we can use the Null Factor Theory in order to solve for x. So in this case we're going to, so here we're looking for two factors of 80 that are going to be able to give us a 2 here, so 8 and 10, okay, so 10 take away 8 will give us 2. So we end up here with x take away 8, x plus 10 equals 0. So therefore we can just treat that as being 0. So if that's going to equal 0, then x must equal 8. And then we can treat that one as being 0. That means that x must equal negative 10. So there's our two values of x. Here we have a triangle this time, and we're told that the height of the triangle is 2x plus 4, and the base of the triangle is x plus 3. We're told the area is 30 units. Again, we go back to our rule. So the rule here for area of a triangle is half base times height. We can use base times height over 2. So now we can set up our question as half, and it's 2x plus 4, and it's going to be multiplied by x plus 3. Okay, and that's all going to be equal to 30 units. We can now expand our brackets out. Okay, so we've now got 2x squared, okay, plus 6x plus 4x plus 12, okay, and that's all going to be equal to 30, and all of that is times by half here, okay. So we can simplify this obviously, so it becomes 2x squared plus 10x plus 12, okay, is equal to 30. Again, all times a half. Now, okay, so at this point we can pull out 2 as a common factor for all of these numbers here. So 2 goes into 2x squared, 2 goes into 10x, and 2 goes into 12. So 2 out the front leaves us with x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 30. And that's all over 2 because the half becomes that 2. We can then cancel those 2's like that, okay? That leaves us x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 30. We're going to take the 30 to the other side now. So x squared plus 5x, and it's 6 take away the 30, gives us negative 24 equals 0. Okay, so we've now been able to turn that from this format into the standard form, and now we can use the null factor theory in order to solve this. So we need two factors of 24 in order to give us 5x, okay, and we can go with 8 and 3, okay, because 8 take away 3 will give us 5, so it'll be x plus 8 and x minus 3 equals 0, so therefore x must equal negative 8 or x equals positive 3 as our two potential answers.